What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting, well, it's a really odd video today because we were doing some offroading today. So actually this guy told us that he needed help getting out a U.S. Army willys out of the road, and this is really a surprising find. So let's just get on with the video. Okay, so we're in our truck. Just get backed out here. I'll see you guys later when I get out. Okay, so we're heading down this mountain. Dude, come on, man. There you go. Okay, so we are about probably, let's say, like a couple of minutes away from the point, so let's just keep on driving towards the stop. Come on. Ugh. Good truck right, guys. Okay, so let's go over here. He said it was in this destination, like in that little mud pit up in here. So let's just go. And oh my god, there it is. There it is, you guys. Okay, so let's just try to get backed up in here. I'll get back with you guys whenever I'm done. To the parking lot, to the storage. I'll get back with you guys as soon as I'm there. Okay, so we are back at the parking lot. Let's get this thing all fixed up. Repair it, wash it. Oh, now that looks better. There's still a little bit of rust. Oh, look at that, little shovels. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Bye.